Okay, everybody, let's start with the basics. Your kit is the Baroque Journal Kit from the Picker's Palace. Let's get everything out of your kit and take a look at what we've got. The kit comes with the concertina handmade cotton rag paper. Fabulous for watercolors, for painting, stamping, everything that we're going to want to do with it. Let's set that aside. We have the stencil that's going to be done on the top cover and the book itself. It's got the two covers, front and back, the spine piece, the decorative piece to go on the spine, 4 little wood corners, and this extra piece that actually is designed to fit right inside of this plate if you choose. The kit also comes with your paints and such. You're going to start with your gesso, Gesso So Good, and your 3 paint colors, black, Miss Moneypenny, a beautiful copper, and this fabulous gold called Goldfinger. The kit also has super thick Slap It On. We'll use that at the end of our project to get our raised stencil effect. Should about do it. Now, these 2 pieces are for assembling your journal. This is the elastic that'll hold your pages in, and this is just a fabulous thing. We're going to use this to hold the book together. It is actually a professional bookbinding tape. Really, really good thing. So, let's start by getting our book out and grab your black gesso and paint it front and back and let it dry. Once it's dry, join me again and we'll move on to the next step.